All right, we're filming.
Today, we're working on putting in 2 screens. It doesn't require any tools. All you have to do is you got little spots here that bounce in and out. So that gets forced against the side. So you take it, fit it up to the window, slide it in the little gap, push it over, and it slides right in. There you go. 1 screen installed. Here goes the second one. So you gotta make sure these little things work. So I generally push them against something to make them sure they're kind of current and coming in and out. See, it's sticking a little bit. Get a comforter. Okay, so now get this. Fit it up to the window. You gotta put the sides, put the little springy thing on there in first. Put the 2 things around the sides. Push it in from this side. And there we go. The screens are installed. Thank you for coming today.